hypothesis, Julie, to your point. This is not based on fact. This is pure speculation. And this is where I think Elon Musk has proven himself to be a chess master over time. He takes a very long-term view. You just said it, Julie. All these cars backing up at a Tesla charging point, which means Tesla is now going to sit there above the fray, gathering data, the most data in the United States on where EVs are charging, when, with what frequency, by model of car. So I think this is a data play.
Welcome back, savvy investors, to another one of our exciting episodes. Since the start of the year, Tesla's stock price has experienced a remarkable surge, fueled by investor confidence and optimistic projections. Analysts' stock analysis and forecasts paint a picture of a company poised for exponential growth. Today, we turn our attention to the dynamic world of Tesla stock and the possibility of reaching all-time highs again. As the market continues to evolve, it's essential to stay ahead of the game and understand the factors that contribute to Tesla's ongoing profitability. From stock analysis and forecasts to market trends and trading strategies, we leave no stone unturned in uncovering the secrets that can help you reap substantial returns on your Tesla shares. Brace yourselves for a mind-blowing journey that will leave you craving for more.
A notable call today, Barclays has downgraded Tesla to equal weight from the previous overweight rating. The analyst Dan Levy says recent rallies in Tesla stock have failed to acknowledge near-term fundamentals. The shares have been getting a boost after announcements that automakers are adopting the Tesla format for charging ports. Rivian just became the third automaker to sign up for the Tesla charger format in its new EVs, joining Ford and General Motors. We're joined by Will McDonough, founder and CEO at EMG Advisors. Will, thanks very much for coming on the show.
Nice to see you again.
It kind of reminds me a bit of Betamax and VHS. So, of course, if you're the one who has the format, you have an enormous advantage. Is Tesla going to become the default standard for chargers in the US?
It appears so. I think it cements the fact that they just have a great lead in that, and that the car companies are realizing, let's focus on doing what we do well. Why do we have to rebuild charging infrastructure? It would be the equivalent of Ford Motor Company in 1950 saying, we're going to become Shell Oil or Mobil. It's unnecessary to build that piece of the infrastructure if a lot of it already exists. And so let's just standardize the plugs, and let's just standardize that infrastructure such that all this stuff is a little bit easier for buyers of the cars to tolerate with the range anxiety and such. Let's just leverage that same infrastructure and focus on what we do well.
To understand why Tesla stock continues to make profits for investors, let's start by analyzing its performance. Over the years, Tesla's stock price has witnessed staggering growth, outperforming market expectations and generating substantial returns. By examining stock analysis and forecasts from leading experts, we gain valuable insight into the factors driving Tesla's profitability. And judging by recent news from the leading automaker, it's fair to say that Tesla stock is just getting started. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Tesla's stock market performance is influenced by a myriad of factors, including investor sentiment, market trends, and company-specific events. By analyzing Tesla's stock chart and identifying key trends and patterns, investors can make informed decisions and time their entry and exit points effectively. Additionally, understanding Tesla's valuation and how it compares to its peers can provide valuable insights into its potential for future profits. In the course of this video, we will journey through the latest updates from Tesla and why the stock is set to rally beyond the $300 threshold. So stay with us as we bring you thrilling updates from this EV maker. Let's get on with it. But before we start, if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay up to date on everything happening with Tesla. Keeping a pulse on Tesla stock news and staying informed about the latest developments is crucial for investors. From breakthrough innovations and product launches to strategic partnerships and regulatory advancements, these factors can have a significant impact on Tesla's stock performance. In the past weeks, market trends and expert analysis have revealed why Tesla is on a journey to where fortunes are made and profits abound. And so, by staying updated and incorporating the latest news into investment strategies, investors position themselves to reap the rewards of Tesla's ongoing success. Tesla had a bear market decline of 75.4% from the high of $414.49 set on November 4, 2012, to the low of $101.81 set on January 6, 2023. Interestingly, the stock has rallied once more. The buy signal was followed by a gain of 172% on the 21st of June. The weekly chart for Tesla has been positive for a while now. The stock is above its 5-week modified moving average at $221.23 and is well above its 200-week simple moving average at $186.28. Several fascinating updates have contributed to this growth in Tesla's stock, and in due time, the stock will attain its true valuation. New vehicle registrations in Europe increased by 18% in May this year, and this shift was due in part to the growing demand for electric cars like Tesla's, which are outpacing the broader automotive market. The growth of EVs has been substantial, thanks in part to the ramp and rising popularity of vehicles like the Tesla Model Y, which is now produced at Gigafactory Berlin. Tesla is expanding its market globally, and this will potentially drive demand and in turn increase revenue. One of the pillars of Tesla's expansion plans lies in its production capacity. The company's network of gigafactories, strategically located around the globe, enables Tesla to scale up its manufacturing capabilities and meet the growing demand for electric vehicles. This production expansion not only allows Tesla to gain a larger market share, but also strengthens its competitive advantage by establishing a robust supply chain and streamlining operations. Tesla's charging network is another growing revenue source. The EV maker has the largest fast-charging network in North America, with about 20,000 superchargers that previously only connected to Tesla vehicles. In contrast, non-Tesla EV owners have long relied on an inconsistent patchwork of public chargers, which can be difficult to find and are not often well maintained. And so by opening up its supercharger network, Tesla could remove the last barrier to EV ownership. Long-standing barriers to EV ownership like battery range and price are finally being addressed, leaving one last obstacle for many would-be EV owners, which is access to public fast-charging stations. Tesla's superchargers make up about 60% of available U.S. fast chargers, and Ford and General Motors have, in recent weeks, struck deals with Tesla to use its charging technology, now called the North America Charging Standard, or NACS. Tesla has spent the last several weeks preparing to open access to its previously exclusive supercharger network, forging valuable partnerships with Ford, GM, and Rivian since the end of May. In recent news as well, Hyundai Motor disclosed that it will be considering making its vehicles more readily compatible with the charging standard which Tesla is pushing for North America. While Tesla's move to open its charging network to EVs from other brands is a way to promote EV adoption, it's also a condition for the company to qualify for some of the $7.5 billion in subsidies which the Biden administration has provided to speed the deployment of chargers in the United States. The U.S. car maker also stands to profit from selling power to the bigger group of electric vehicle drivers. Tesla's recent partnerships have reflected in its stock. In fact, shares were up more than 40% when Tesla announced the deal with Ford. And with more partnerships on the way, we can expect an incredible boost in the stock price. When it comes to Tesla's stock, it is essential to have a comprehensive outlook and consider multiple perspectives when investing. For instance, engaging in discussions and forums dedicated to Tesla stock can provide valuable insights and different viewpoints that help investors make informed decisions about their investment. These, coupled with in-depth research, can equip you with the right tools and insights needed to maximize your returns and navigate the dynamic world of Tesla stock. What are your thoughts on Tesla stock lately? Let us know in the comments section. For more exciting updates on Tesla's latest moves, go ahead and click on the next video on your screen. We have so much to share with you. See you there. See you there.